HBD Chachay from Camp Baguis, no? So, kidding aside, happy 18th birthday. At sa pagpasok mo sa adulthood, tandaan mo na maraming mga pagsusubok, mga challenges, at mga oportunidad na mapagdaraanan mo. No? Maging mabuti at mapagmahal ka palagi sa mga tao sa paligid mo at higit na sa lahat ay sa sarili mo. Ang kindness and love ay isa sa mga bagay na gagabay sa'yo. No? At huwag mong kalimutan na panatilihin ang iyong passion, yung iyong interest sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo. No? Yun nga, yung photography, ganyan, bigyan mo ng oras yun. Ito yung magbibigay ng kulay at kasiyahan sa bawat araw mo. And always pursue your dreams with determination and heart. So excited na kaming lahat sa mga ma-achieve mo. And we're always here to support you. Yung family mo, and of course, yun nga, yung Camp Baguis.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next one, we have Miss Christine Macauba. Ma'am Christine? Ayan.
HBD Chachay. Char. Happy birthday, Chai, and I hope as you travel along adulthood, you always remember that you're precious, smart, and a very talented girl. Be proud of all the progress you've made and have confidence in your abilities, and just remember to have fun in life. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture taking. Picture muna po. Next one, we have Miss Hazel Dul.
HBD Chachay from Camp Baguis. I wish you the courage to follow your heart and the determination to overcome any obstacles and unwavering belief in your own limitless potential. Happy 18th birthday. Stay pretty and humble and sweet baby.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Miss Erica Fiona Espiritu. Picture muna po, ma'am. Ayan, Miss Erica Fiona Espiritu. Please get one candle over there. Ayan. Baka kamag-anak ko pa po kayo, ah. Ayun, ito po. Ayan, there you go. Closer, please.
First of all, happy birthday. Congratulations on turning 18. As your previous advisor, it is a pleasure to see how you changed from a kept to soft girl to a lovely lady inside our room. I hope that won't change. Thank you for including me on your celebration today. Lastly, as you move to adulthood, I hope you always remember what I have always tell you and your classmates, that no matter what happens, even if I am not your advisor anymore, you can always count on me. Once again, happy birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. Picture taking. Next one, we have Miss Lyra Eunice Villar.